Light and peace.
What is it?
Light and peace.
Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. How you doing today? Today we're going out. We got the chip bag and air horn, and we're scaring people today, guys. If you want to, go ahead and subscribe right now. Leave a like. Also leave a comment for her. Yeah, let's get this going. You ready? I'm gonna give you what I'll give you the chip. You blow the air horn at people. There's an air horn. You blow it at people. What do you mean? We agreed on this, ma'am. All right. Well. Was that you? What did I do? I don't you. Why are you worried about me?
Doing your air horn.
What you talking about, bro? How do you know it wasn't a car? What did I do though? Bro.
By the way,
The holy shit, man.
that wasn't you?
No, I think it was a car probably. All right, let's go. Get in here.
Oh, wait.
Sir, I just want to get in.
No.
Sir, just want to get in.
No.
Sir, why are you
No.
pushing me?
No!
Sir!
Get out!
Sir!
Get out!
What? Come on, why are you outrunning me? I'm trying to get in that video, bro.
I am trying you to not to get in my video.
Why? You seem like a happy guy. You seem like
Yeah.
you want a friend. Can we be friends?
Sure.
That's what I'm saying. Let's do a video. Come on.
No.
I'm here with my friend.
Why?
You seem happy.
I am happy.
I like to be around happy people, man.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Yeah. So let's go ahead.
Let's meet my new friend Steven.
What's going on, guys? What's your name?
Vijay. Vijay?
VJ?
Steven.
Steven. It's nice to meet you,
We met
man.
in Vegas.
Yeah, we met in Vegas. It's my new bro. We're actually about to get married soon.
Oh, sure.
We're actually gonna get married today.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna go to the little
Which
chapel.
You have the witnesses. How many witnesses do we need?
We only need one.
Only one?
Yeah,
Oh,
so-
cool. That's cool.
So you
man.
down?
Yeah, sure.
We're getting married?
Sure.
All right, let's go, bro. Come on. What?
I have to.
Oh, you have to go now? Oh, really?
Yeah, I have to.
Oh, man, you really gonna break my heart?
What can I do, my friend? You'll find someone. You're a nice person. You'll find someone.
No! Vija! Vija! No! Ah! Hey man, thank you, bro. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, right?
Okay.
You got me?
Yeah.
Comment down below.
All right.
Can you? Maybe? All right, but you have to definitely subscribe, right? Because we post a video every week, every Tuesday, bro. All right, so make sure you just come back, and you know we can get it all set up. All right?
All right.
We're good? What's your name?
Ivan.
Steven. It's nice to meet you, man. All right, man. Remember, come back every Tuesday. Going?
Me?
Yeah, where are we going together?
Nowhere. I'm just smoking my cigarette.
Oh.
It's my break time.
Oh. Well, do you like what you do?
No,
You don't like Uber?
no.
Oh. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Have you tried like maybe taxi?
Go over there, wait.
Over there? Is that the Uber wait?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
They're coming a lot over there.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Good day. Huh. I guess that wasn't my Uber.